Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unarchive a WhatsApp chat, and now let's dive right in. Now to unarchive a WhatsApp chat, first open up the WhatsApp on your phone, and after opening your WhatsApp guys on this interface, in order to proceed to unarchive a WhatsApp chat, you can see the archived folder at the top of the screen over here. If it's not visible, scroll down a little bit and that will be visible over here like this. Tap on that and all of your archived chats will be over here. Now in order to unarchive a chat, tap and hold on the chat which you want to unarchive, and a bunch of options will appear at the top right corner of the screen, where you can see the option just beside the three dotted icon with the arrow. Tap on it and you can see guys, there it says the unarchived chat. Tap on it guys, and with that being done, that chat will be unarchived and moved to the regular inbox. And with that being said guys, this is how to unarchive WhatsApp chat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.